You want to consider that boy dogs can get testicular cancers, they can get things called perineal hernias, and they can also get problems with their prostate, which are extremely common. Many people want their dogs to develop secondary sex traits like a nice wide body or a nice big head or good muscling. And that can still be done as long as your dog has an excellent disposition, which does not require that they be neutered because they're aggressive. Then it's okay for you to keep your dog with his testicles a little longer. Now, as to the females, you want to consider that it's always best to spay females. And it seems that it's always best to spay them early.
First, you're going to place their tongue past their canines. You're going to give them 2 small breaths. Look for the rise and fall of the chest. And from there, you're going to massage their heart. You're going to do these compressions 15 times and then give them 2 more breaths. You'll do this for a cycle of 4 and then reassess by checking for breathing and their heart rate.
So, reading a dog food label. What's inside of the dog food, the bag or the can, is listed by weight. So, what weighs the most, what there is the most of by weight is the first thing. Look at your first 5 to 6 ingredients. What do you want to avoid? Corn, wheat, and soy are 3 things that you absolutely should avoid in your dog food. Corn goes by many names, which will be listed later on. So make sure that you're not feeding corn. Corn is a filler.
The same is true with cleaning out their eyes. A lot of the dogs have more eye discharge than other dogs, and if not cleaned out properly and maintained properly, can cause infections in the eyes, severe infection in the eyes that can eventually, in some cases, lead to blindness.
Most dogs are not really aggressive. They've got one of 2 problems. Number 1, lack of socialization. Socialization is key to our adult dog's well-being. Another thing is a dog who's afraid. I will be more afraid of a scaredy dog that doesn't know what's going to happen. They will bite a lot faster than a true aggressive dog. So you need to make sure that the dog is being socialized from a very young puppy all the way through adulthood.